This is the working of augmented reality education app that we developed using Unity Engine and Vuforia. As I place an image in front of a device, and if the image is present in the database, it will be detected. This image is now called as target image. On the target image, three virtual buttons are present, one for image superimposition, one for video player, and other for 3D model display. The press and release functions of the virtual buttons are detected virtually when I hover my finger over them. As I place my finger over image superimposition virtual button, an image will be superimposed in the target image, as you see on the screen. When I remove my finger, its projection is stopped. Now, when I place my finger on the video superimposition virtual button, a video will be played on the target image. As you can see, a video is playing. And when I remove my finger, the video will be stopped. Now I place my finger on the 3D model virtual button. Then a 3D model will be superimposed on the target image. When I remove my finger, the projection will be stopped, as you can see on the screen. And this is the view of AR education app from the Android device.
Our solar system is one of over 500 known solar systems in the entire Milky Way galaxy. The solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago when a cloud of interstellar gas and dust collapsed, resulting in a